Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace our FITCAMX camera on our RAV4. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so here's the box of the new FITCAMX that we will install. This is similar to the one that we'll be removing. So some of you know already that I use FITCAMX on my RAV4 for almost 2 years or probably 3 years now, and I still don't have any problem. And yeah, so I just decided to replace it with the one that has a built-in rear camera on it, so that I can record front and rear at the same time. Because on my current setup right now is I'm using a separate camera in the back, so it's recording separately. So this is what I got. This is 4K Ultra HD, and this is the model FITCAMX Model HD2. I'll put the link in the description below. If you want to purchase this, it's available on Amazon. It's also available on their own website at FITCAMX.com. I'll put the link in there, and you can use a discount code that is tied to me. All right. So for this one, basic features here. So have Wi-Fi, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit. Basically, it's OEM look, and it has HDR on it. So again, this camera is awesome. If you want to see the videos, sample videos I had on this one, I'll put it on the link, or you can check them up here. All right, I'll put them here. Yep. So checking on the box here is we have the actual camera. So this is the one that goes to the front. So it replaces the cover. It comes with a micro SD card, which is 64 gigabytes. So that's good. At least you don't have to pay extra for an SD. And don't forget to remove this lens cover to make sure that you get awesome videos. All right, so, and from the old one, basically once we remove the cover, just transfer the clips to this one. Very easy to do. Just pull it out. Has this cable. It says it's labeled rear cam, so that you won't have any issues in there. And this goes to the power, which is this one. So it comes with an SD card reader. It has this cable, and it has a pry tool. It has the cover. This cover basically goes here. So that's awesome. You don't need to use your old one. So this connects to the TSS, the Toyota Safety Sense power. So it gets the power. So this connects to the camera, front camera. So here you connect that. It only goes one way. There you go. All right. Very easy. Then plug this on the TSS. Very easy. It comes with a user manual if you need that user manual. Again, you can just scan the QR code for the install video, or since you're watching this, just watch this. So yeah, so it comes with different languages. Again, this is the rear camera. This will make my setup a little cleaner. So it says there, this side up. So I'll put it that way, basically. So I think I'm gonna stick it on the glass itself. I'm not sure. I might, but it says this side up. So it's upward. Again, don't forget to remove the protective cover on the lens. Very long cable, and it had some cable holder in here, some clips to keep the cable in place. We're just gonna go to the car, remove the old cover. Again, this is the this one goes here, so it clips in there. There you go. You clip it and just push it down and just pull it out. With this one, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to remove this or what. We'll check the manual for this, because the older FITCAMX that I got, it doesn't have this slot in here. So yeah, so we'll check. Right, so let's go in the car. All right, so here in the back, so I have this DDPi dash cam, which I install here in the back. Again, this is working fine, but again, it's not that clean. So I just wire that here. So same thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna wire this one out the same way. It's gonna be coming out here, and it will roll on the C pillar, B pillar, going down to the A pillar, and then in the front. So let me show you the main camera there in the front. All right, so here's the older FITCAMX that I got in here. This one, I've been using this for a while, and just decided now to upgrade it to the one that can record the rear. So to remove this, you can remove this cover first, this one, and then you slide it down. So let's just pretend that we remove this, but we can just slide this down like that, and it will fall like that. So as you can see there's the cable. That's the TSS cable in there. Then we just need to remove this from hanging in here. So yep, so let me do that. There will be some clips in here, so you see those orange, this orange clip in here. We need to remove that, and then there's two of them on the other side, and also there will be a tab in here that we need to pry out so that we can remove the plate in here. All right, so yep, so that's how we're gonna do it. Be right back. All right, so just a quick comparison in here on the two. Again, there's really no real difference on this two, except that this one got a cable coming out on this side. All right, for the rear camera. And these are the covers that I'm talking about. So as you can see here, this one has a bigger opening compared to the other one. All right, the one that we're removing. So I think we don't need to remove this. So that's gonna be fine. So again, just got a bigger opening. It goes the same way basically. So what we need to do is we need to transfer this orange tabs in here. Just need to transfer that. You can use, oops, see, where did it go? There you go, it flew away. But yeah, so just need to pry this out in here. That just transfer them on the new ones. There you go. Just gonna pick up the other one and insert it in there. All right, I found the other one and just clipping it in there. And yeah, so basically that's it. And also another difference that I saw here, it has a cable coming out also from here, a thin wire coming out from there. I think this is like a Wi-Fi antenna that they added, because this one doesn't have it. Probably this one will work better with the range. Yep. So before we actually clip that in, I'm gonna try if I can just use the original cable that I got in there for the TSS, the power cable. If not, I'm just gonna use the one that they supplied just to avoid any issues, all right? All right, so if you have the factory cover in here, okay, this cable is originally connected to that socket. Now we connect the one that came with the kit. So I removed the old one that I got just to avoid any issues. So we're gonna install the one that came with the kit. And now we're gonna plug this here. There you go. It's plugged in there. And now we have this wire that we need to connect to the camera. All right, this goes to the camera. Let me just put this away. There you go, much better. So this goes to the camera. Then we're gonna try it. We're just gonna power it. If it powers before we close everything up, we're gonna connect the rear camera also, just to make sure that the power is enough. Be right back. Okay, so we're testing it right now, and we're seeing some lights in here. So red, blue lights, and we're gonna try to connect it on my phone for the first time. So be right back. Let me grab my phone. We're gonna try to add the camera, and then click next, and then it says there connect to CAR blah 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 or LHD. So connect to FITCAMX. So it will be on the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Let's try that. If it doesn't work, let's check the user manual since I cannot figure it out. Hold on. All right, so we're gonna try this again. So password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, then just click join, and it should connect to the camera. Go back to FITCAMX, and we're gonna click add. There you go, all connecting. So disconnected. Let me check. I dropped the other camera, so that's why it's dark. So this is the rear camera, as you can see me, and then the other one is facing somewhere. There you go. So it is working. All right, so basically we're just gonna route the cable to the back to connect it to the rear camera, and then we're just gonna close it up. Simple as that. All right, if I'm not taking a video, I'm already done in probably 10 minutes or less. All right. All right, so there you go. If you can see that, cable are all connected. I like it. Now we can put the cover in there, the smaller cover, and then we just need to work on the wire or the cable that goes to the back. Right, come on, let's go. All right, so I run the cable that goes to the back. Basically with the A-pillar, I pull up this weather stripping so that I can tuck the cable in here. I know some might say it's a safety concern because when the airbag deploy, that's gonna be on the way. But again, with the force of the airbag, when they're deploying, that's a lot of force. For sure, it will pass that cable, but some may say again, it's a safety issue. It may pull, once the airbag gets deployed, it will pull the cable out also, which will, basically, it will just unplug it from the main camera. That's one thing. I'm not really concerned about that. But again, this is how I install it. It's up to you if you're gonna do the same way. So again, it went here, again, here in the A pillar, in here, B pillar, and then to the A pillar, it goes there too. But yeah, so now I'm working it, running it here in the back. And Yeah, so it should run here, okay, and it will run somewhere in here. All right, let me finish this. We're almost there. All right, so there you have it. It's installed. So let's check the app and test it. How's the angle? If you need to fix how it's tilted or whatever, we're gonna check it out. All right, so again, that's how it's installed. Again, just under the headliner, going to the C pillar, going to the B pillar, down the A pillar in there. Yeah, so let's go and check. We went here and under the headliner, going here, and as you can see, it is in there, and we just need to close that. So again, we're gonna check the app, how this looks like. All right, so let's connect to the camera now, and as you can see here, it is connected. Oh, I need to fix my tailgate because it's open. So let me close that. Hold on. All right, so as we can see here, it is bright. Yep, so I apologize for the mess in the garage, but as you can see here, the rear camera, it is set, I think, pretty well. It is in the middle, I guess. So yeah, I think that's all right. I like it. So yeah, so we'll add some drive basically footage on this one while we're driving. We're gonna add that at the end of the video, or the install. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Also, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. Again, you can use my discount code. I'll put it in the description. All right, again, thank you for watching.